Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. This is the 6th part of the series. For this episode, I wanted a dry cherry stone without any pulp. I used the cherry from the last episode as a template. I measure the size of the stone in relation to the full cherry. The rest is just finding the right color. That was by far the simplest element of the entire poster. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again